Hi friends, if you are experiencing issues with fragpunk not launching on your PC, several potential solutions are help you to solve the problem. So let's start the video. Please like this video and subscribe the channel. So friends, first of all, verify game files. Corrupted or missing game files can prevent the game from starting. To verify and repair these files. So to verify and repair this file, you need to open Stream and navigate to your library. Then you can follow the steps I show you on the screen, and then you can fix this. And the number second is update graphic drivers. Friends, outdated graphics drivers can cause compatibility issues. Ensure your GPU drivers are up to date. For NVIDIA users, use GetForce Experience to check for and install updates. For AMD users, utilize the AMD Radeon software for driver updates. Number third is run as administrator. Sometimes games require administrative privileges to function correctly. The fourth step, but not the least, you can do is disable overlays. Friends, third-party overlays can interface with game performance like Discord overlays or Stream overlays. So you can turn off the in-game overlays so that you will get a good experience and the problem will be fixed. Number fifth is check for background applications, resource intensive applications. So friends, resource intensive applications running in the background can hinder game performance. So you can simply solve this by I am showing the screenshot. So identify the applications consuming significant resources. And number six is add exceptions to antivirus. Sometimes antivirus software may mistakenly block game files, so you can fix this like this. So hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe. If you need any solutions, you can contact me in comment section.